Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve day 10 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 869, reordered power of 2. Okay, so actually this problem is advanced version of this problem. Okay, LeetCode problem number 231, power of 2. And this question is also very important. This question is asked in Google as well. Okay, and very important question for interview rounds as well. Okay, so I have explained total 3 approaches in this problem. Okay, from of and log and to of 1. Okay, so if you haven't solved it yet, then please go ahead and solve it. Okay, now let's move to question number uh, 869. Okay, this one. All right, so here you are given an integer n. We reorder the digits in any order, including the original order, such that the leading digit is not 0. Okay, so here I can't reorder it. Okay, 1 0 is fine, right? If I make it 0 1, right, then the leading digit is 0. Okay, and we don't want that, right? So we reorder the digits in any order, including the original order, such that the leading digits is not 0. Okay, we have to return true if and only if we can do this, so that the resulting number is a power of 2. Okay, so here if you see this number 140 2. Okay, so this is a power of 2 or not? Tell me this number. No, right? So in yesterday's problem, if this is the input, right, then my output is going to be false. But in today's problem, I can reorder the digits. Okay, I can write it like this 1024. Okay, if I write it like this 1024, okay, then my output is going to be true, right? This is nothing but 2 power 10. Okay, 2 power 10. Done. All right, so here n is equal to 1. Yes, 2 power 0. Okay, we are turning true, right? And these are the constants, n from 1 to 10 to the power 9. Okay, clear? Now how we are going to solve this problem? All right, so see here, let's take this example only. 1402, 1402, let's say this is my n value. Okay, now here if I just change this number, okay, to a char array. Okay, so in my char array, then I will have what? I will have 1. Okay, I will have 4. All right, let's write it like this. Okay, I have 1, I have 4, I have 0. Okay, I have 2. All right, this is my char array. Okay, now here if I sort this, if I sort this char array, what I'm going to get? I'm going to get 0, I'm going to get 1, I'm going to get 2 here. Okay, and I am going to get 4 here. All right, so here I have sorted my target. Okay, let's say this is my target. Okay, target array, target char array. All right, this is done. Now here in binary form, okay, first bit value is 1, then next bit value is 2, then next bit value is 4, then next bit value is 8, then 16. Okay, then 32, then 64, then 128. Okay, then 256. Okay, then 512. Okay, then 1024. All right, so on. Okay, like this, right? So here if all are 0 and just 1 is here, that simply means 2 power 0. Okay, so this is nothing but 2 power 0, this is nothing but 2 power 1. Okay, you know this, right? 2 power 2, this is nothing but 2 power 4. Okay, so 2 power 3, this is how we write it in binary form, right? Oh, this is nothing but 16 is nothing but 2 power 4, this is nothing but 2 power 5, 2 power 6, 2 power 7, 2 power 8. Okay, 2 power 9 and 2 power 10. Okay, and so on, right? Okay, so we have to check against all the powers of 2 up to 2 power 30. Okay, why? Since 2 power 31 exceeds int range. Okay, and we have given what? We have given an integer n only. Okay, So definitely we need to check in the integer range only. So 2 power 31 exceeds the integer range. Okay, so we have to check from 2 power 0 to 2 power 30 only. Okay, so you already clear, right? Int range, right? Okay, so what we need to do here, first I am going to iterate over this. Okay, iterate over this. All right, so first if I take 2 power 0, then my number is 2. Okay, okay, done, right? Next time I iterate over this, my number is 2 of here 2, here 1, here 2, here my number is 4. Okay, same way, once I reach this 2 power 10, I see that this is my number 1024. Okay, I have this number 124. Okay, once I reach here, okay, I skip these all steps. Okay, but I'm going to do the same thing that I'm going to do for 1024 now. Okay, because this is going to be my output, right? In the end, because I'm checking this number, so this is going to match with this one. How? Let's see. Okay, so first I'm going to check this, right? All right, I need to check. And once I reach here, okay, 1024, now see what is actually going to check. But I'm going to check. Okay, so here, let's suppose if I get reach here, okay, 1024, right? Now here, if I again write it in char form, I will get 1 0. Okay, I will get here 2. Okay, I will get here 4. All right, done. Now here, if I sort this, what I'm going to get, I'm going to get 0 1, I'm going to get 2, and I'm going to get 4 here. All right, okay, this is what I'm going to get, 0 1 2 4. Now here, if you see this array, okay, 0 1 2 4, this is equal to my target 0 1 2 4. Okay, if this is the case, then you have to simply return true. Okay, if this happens, so same way you have to, here I'm writing for 1024 now. Same way you have to check for this 512 also. Okay, 512, after sorting you're going to get 1 2 and 5. Okay, it is not equal, right? 1 2 5 is not equal to 1 0 0 1 2 4, right? So next time you move to 1 0 2 4. Okay, like this you have to check. Okay, so once you find such any such number, you have to simply return true. Okay, and if you are not able to find, okay, let's suppose if this is your number, let's take this example, n is equal to 10. So n is equal to 10, so if you sort it, you are going to write it like 0 and 1. Okay, here this is your first number, okay, 1. So how you are going to write 1 in this? Okay, so here 1 and 0 1 both are different, right? Then 2 is nothing but just single 2. Okay, like this you will not find any such, okay, 0 1, right? So you have to return false. Okay, so very simple. Okay, this is my first approach to solve this problem. Okay, I will show you one more better approach, right? Because in this approach, what is happening, I'm sorting the target array, I'm sorting this one. My time complexity is going to be of n log n because of this. Okay, but I can solve this problem in of 1 time complexity as well. Okay, so first let's write the code with for this of n log n. Okay, because this is the basic. Okay, this is how we are going to solve the problem first. Okay, so that you can understand the next approach. Okay, so here first we have to sort the digits of n to use as a reference. Okay, use as a reference. Done. And here I need char array, right? Char target. Okay, so first I have given one integer n. Okay, so I have to change it to string first. Okay, so how we are going to change it to string? String dot value of n. Okay, done. And now I have to change it to char array. Okay, value of n, and here to char, and then I have to write array. Okay, to char array. Done. Then after that I have to sort it, arrays dot sort target. That's it, right? Now we have to check against all powers of 2 up to 2 power 30. Here I can say since 2 power 31 exceeds int range. Okay, done. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to run one loop. Okay, int I is equal to 0, I is less than 31, and here I plus plus. Okay, and here if you see what I'm checking first 1, then I'm checking 2, then I'm checking 4, then I'm checking 8, I'm checking 16, 32, 64, 128. Okay, I'm making the jumps like this, 1, then 2. Okay, so how I'm going to pick the numbers, I can take 1. Okay, if I left shift 1 0 times, okay, how I'm writing 1 in binary form like this. If I left shift 1 by just 0 times, so I will get 1 only. Okay, if I left shift 1 by 1 time, okay, so my 1 is going to move forward. Okay, all are moving 1 shift left. Okay, so here what I will get, I will get 2. Okay, right. Okay, so here again, if I left shift my 1 by 2 times, okay, so that simply means this one is going to make a jump here, then here. Okay, so what I will get, I will get something like this. Okay, I'm moving 1 2 times. Okay, left shift by 2. Okay, so here what I'm going to get, 1 2 4. Okay, so I'm getting 4, right? So that's very simple, right? So here number int num is equal to 1 left shift I times. Okay, and here again same thing you have to write. Okay, now here just paste it, and here instead of target you say power digits. Okay, power digits. Okay, string dot value of, here instead of n just say num, and here 2 char array. Okay, and then after that just sort this. So here you have to write arrays dot sort, and here take power digits and just update it. Okay, that's it. So now here you have to make sure that both the arrays are equal. Okay, so if arrays dot equals, okay, both the arrays, one is target and one is this power digits, right? If both are equal, then in that case simply return true, right? And otherwise here simply return false. That's it. That's it. Okay, so this is approach 1, right? Now let's run the code and see if there are code issues. So see, all the test case has been accepted, right? Now here if I just create the test case, what we are taking here, we are taking number as 1402. Okay, 1402, right? So now if I run it, so I will get output as true. Okay, so see here for 1402 output is true. Okay, and here for 10 output is false, right? Now if I submit it, let's see if we are able to pass all the test cases. So yes, we are able to pass all the test cases. Okay, in approach 2 I don't want to use this of and login. Okay, so now how I'm going to solve it. All right, so what I'm going to do here, in a number, okay, in we are using numbers only, right? Here and is nothing but digits only. Okay, so how many numbers we have? We have 0 1 2 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, total 10 numbers are there, 10 digits are there, right, in mathematics, right? Using these digits we can form any number, right? 99 1024, using all these, right? Okay, so what I'm going to do in this case, I'm going to count the frequency. Okay, so here if you see this example, right, here this is my number 10. Okay, so here 1 is occurring one time, 0 is occurring one time. Okay, done. Now here same thing, I will iterate over all these 0 to 30. Okay, all these 0 to 30. Okay, all these. So for 1, what is the frequency? Okay, only 1 is occurring one time. Here 2 is occurring one time, 4 is occurring one time, 8 is occurring one time. Okay, if I check this number, if I check this number 2 5 6, I will say that 2 is occurring one time, 5 is occurring one time, and 6 is occurring one time. Okay, now if I see this example 1024, yeah, I can say 1 is occurring one time, 0 is occurring one time, 2 is occurring one time, and 4 is occurring one time. Okay, and same way here also in my n, 1 is occurring one time, 4 is occurring one time, 0 is occurring one time, 2 is occurring one time. Okay, so here see frequency of all the numbers 0 to 9. If you check, 0 is occurring one time, 0 is occurring one time, done. 1 is occurring one time, yes, 1 is also occurring one time here. 2 is occurring one time, yes, 2 is also occurring one time. 3 is occurring 0 time here, 3 is also occurring 0 time here. 4 is occurring one time, 4 is occurring one time. Okay, 5 is occurring 0 time, 5 is occurring 0 time. 6 0 7 0 8 0 9 0. Okay, so all the frequencies are matching from 0 to 9 for this number 1024 and 1 for this number 1402. Okay, so I will simply return true. That's it. So here I will just calculate the frequencies. Okay, instead of sorting, I am just calculating the frequency. Okay, so this code is also very simple, nothing complex here. Okay, so now let's write the code. All right, so here I am going to say my target. Okay, so I'm going to take int array now. Okay, because I have to store the frequencies, int target. And here what I'm going to do, I'm going to store the frequency of this n. Okay, if n is 1024, so I have to calculate the frequency of all the digits in this. Okay, so here I can simply call one method. Okay, digit count, let's say digit count, and here I'm just going to pass n. All right, so this is my first step. Okay, now after that, here same thing I have to do. I is equal to 0, I less than 31, I plus plus. Okay, now instead of this, okay, I'm going to do one thing here. I have to count the frequency only. Okay, here also, so here I can say int power digits. Instead of power digits, you can say count. Okay, power count. And here also I'm just going to call digit count. Okay, here digit count. Okay, in this also I have to just count the number of frequencies. Okay, number of digits. Okay, so instead of num, I can simply say one left shift I times. Okay, this is my number. Okay, one by one I'm passing the numbers. Okay, and here there is no need of sorting, right? So I can just move here. Here I'm just going to say if matches. Okay, if here matches. Okay, if matches. And here let's say what I'm going to match here, my, let's say target count. Okay, target count, right? And power count. Okay, I'm just going to compare this. Okay, if matches target count, power count, return true, otherwise return false. Okay, that's it. Now here, that's it. Okay, so now here I have to just define these methods. Okay, clear? So now here, let's say first thing, count the frequency of each digit. Okay, count the frequency of each digit. Okay, and you have what, you have 0 to 9. Okay, 0 to 9. All right. Okay, so here private int uh, digit count. Okay, digit count. And here what you are going to pass, int num. Okay, int num. And here inside this, int count is equal to new int 10. Okay, and here while number is greater than 0. Okay, while number is greater than 0. And here you have to write count num modulus with 10. Okay, plus plus. This is how you are going to calculate the frequencies of all the digits in a particular number. Okay, num divided with 10. That's it. Okay, and from here you have to simply return count. Okay, so here let's suppose if you have number like this 1402, something like this. Okay, let's say if you have this number, right? So number is greater than 0, then count of num modulus with 10. Okay, so if you divide this number with the 10, remainder is going to come as 2. Okay, so you are updating the frequency of 2 as 1. Okay, 2 frequency is going to update as 1. Okay, count of 2. Okay, so in count array we have 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 until 9. Okay, so here count of 2. Okay, at 2 index we have 1 now. Okay, then num divided by 10, if you do 1402 divided by 10, so you are going to get 140. Okay, now in 140, the last 140, again 140 is greater than 0, so 140 modulus with 10. Okay, the remainder comes out as 0, So count of 0 is incremented. Okay, so 0 frequency is going to become 1, right? And then number is again you are dividing it with 10. Okay, then 14. So 14 is also greater than 0. 14 modulus with 10, remainder comes out as 4. So 4 frequency you are going to update as 1, and then 14 divided by 10 you are going to get 1 only. Okay, now here after that 1 is greater than 0, right? So here count of num modulus with 10 you are going to get what? 1. Okay, so 1 frequency is going to update as 1, and then 1 divided by 10 you are going to get 0. Okay, so now number is not greater than 0. Okay, so you have to stop. So in the end you have these. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear. Okay, so this is nothing but 41402 you can say. Okay, right here 140, 1 second, 2. Okay, so this is how we calculate this. Okay, so digit count. Okay, digit count we are calling here, digit count we are calling here, and here also we are calling digit count. Okay, 2 times. Okay, this is done. Now here we have to check if this is also very simple. If two digit frequency arrays are equal. Okay, arrays are equal, right? So in that case what you need to write here, private boolean. Okay, boolean, and here matches, right? And here you have to just pass two arrays. Okay, a, and here let's say b. All right, and here inside this you have to just simply run one loop. Okay, 10 times only. I is 0, I is less than I is less than 10. Okay, and here I plus plus. All right, and here you have to write if a of I. Okay, if a of I becomes, if it not equal to b of I, let's say. Okay, b of I, then in that case from here you have to simply return false. Return false, otherwise you have to return true from here. Okay, that's it. Return true. Okay, that's it. Now let's run the code and see if the code issue. Will try to fix that. So see, all the test cases has been accepted, right? Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? Okay, so here in this case if you see, we are calling this digit count, right, which is also running for just 10 times. Okay, then here this is running for 31 times. Here also this digit count is running for 10 times, and here match is also running for 10 times. Okay, so I can say of 1 only, right? Okay, so I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem, and if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.